Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create automations in the Axe app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First we have to open up the Axe app. And here it opens up in the feed where we have the posts from the people that we follow. Then we swipe to the right. At the bottom of this list we find settings and support. Then if we tap on that, the toggle list opens up, and then we tap on settings and privacy. Here we follow by tapping on your account. Then we go into account information, and at the bottom of the list we find automation. Here we find a little explanation for what an automated account is. Basically, you can create an account that posts regularly, and yeah, here is the managing account option, which you can set up afterwards. So that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one.